For this video, I'm actually going to be impersonating a student from class, and we're going to be going and taking that quiz. So you can see what the students are going to see when it's auto-graded and they get that submission view. So I'm Dwight here. I'm going to go into quizzes, and here's our first quiz. So I'm going to click on that. So here are the quiz details, and we're going to click start the quiz. And notice it does say 3 attempts. Time allowed it does say unlimited because we didn't check the forced time limit, but it does say you're going to need about 2 hours or 120 minutes, like we said. So we start the quiz, and here we go. Please select one of the following. I can't remember what the right answer is here, but I'll just select that one. And here I'm going to put the first Prime Minister of Canada was John A. Macdonald. And this is what we're going to see. I'm going to hit Submit Quiz. It gives you a warning screen for the student, and then they're going to submit that quiz. So this is where we see that submission view, right? Because we're allowed to see all of the questions we said, but without the answers. So Dwight's not going to be able to see the answers. He's just going to see what he answered. So he answered 3, that was wrong, and he put John A. Macdonald, which was wrong. And I purposely didn't put a period after the A because I knew that it would grade it wrong, because it's something else I want to show you. Because I wanted to make sure that you saw that it has to be exact, so that in the assessment video, we're now going to go take a look at how we can go back in and regrade that, because that technically is the correct answer and we don't want them to get that wrong. And then we click done, and there we go. So he's taken his quiz now. Now let's say Dwight came back in a few weeks and was looking for that same quiz, and the availability had ended, and he wanted to look at what his grade was. And he went to the quiz list, and he'd see that there's nothing available, that quiz has ended. He can still look at his progress, though, or how he did on the quiz, by going to his progress page. So if we go to the progress page and click on quizzes, you can see that quiz. We click on details on that arrow, and then attempt 1. And that is where we'll see that submission view. So students will always be able to see their submission view in that place. So if you didn't have auto grade on and they didn't see the submission view when they submitted it, once you grade it and publish it, then they'll be able to see their submission view here in the progress page.